We're doing baby back ribs in the oven today. Gonna start off with a little bit of hickory liquid smoke. Got 2 slabs of clean baby back ribs. I left the membrane on. That's just my preference. I'm using a little bit of Applewood rub. Sprinkle that on. Coat that nice and well. Also with a little bit of honey hickory rub. Now right now I got the oven preheating at 330, 350. Setting my goal at 350, but every now and then I might bring it down to 330. Go ahead and turn that over. Look how meaty that is. That's meaty baby back ribs. Oh my goodness. That's meaty there. That's meat there. Go ahead and repeat that same process. Liquid smoke. Not too much. Go ahead and put that other rub on. Honey hickory. And then that Applewood. Now you go ahead and massage that in very well. That's why they call it a rub, so you can rub it in. You don't want to just put it on and just don't touch it. You want to touch it. You want to touch your ribs. Touch it. Rub it in. Get the corners and everything. The sides. All that. There you go. Rub that in. Get that all coated nice and well. Now, if you want to, you can let this marinate for up to 2-3 hours, but I chose to let it marinate for 2 days. That's just my preference. Got that oven preheated, then brought it up to at 350. I'm going to start with the meat side down. Uncovered, that is. Go ahead and get that started. Now we about 45 minutes in. I'm using some apple cider vinegar mixed with water to spritz it. That's just the thing that I do, and the reason why I do that is to keep it moist, since I'm not covering it with aluminum foil to steam it. Go ahead and spritz the other side. Spritz that nice and well. Go ahead and get that in there. Now, this here's about 30 minutes later. I felt like it was cooking too fast, so I decided to cover it up because I wanted it nice and slow, but yet still to be tender. Looking good. This here is 30 minutes later, and that's tender. That's done, folks. Juicy. Moist, and I got it under the broiler for another 10 minutes to get a little crisp on it. Voila. Baby back ribs. Can't go wrong. Can't never go wrong with pork. Juicy, moist, baby back ribs. Oh my goodness, look at that. And it's not fall off the bone. I want a little bite to it. Like to keep it intact. Make sure we only sauce 1 slab. Juicy. Baby back ribs baked in the oven. 2 hours and 15 minutes tops. Leave in the comment box what you would like for me to make next. Thanks for watching.